Have you noticed the recent increase in home loan interest rates? It's a trend affecting many, but why exactly is this happening? Interest rates are a fundamental part of the economy, fluctuating in response to various factors. One key reason behind the recent increase in home loan interest rates is the state of the global economy. With the world recovering from the economic impact of the pandemic, financial markets are adjusting, and this includes home loan interest rates. Inflation is another factor. As the cost of goods and services rises, so do interest rates. This is a way for lenders to ensure they maintain a profit margin. Additionally, it's a measure to control inflation. Higher interest rates can slow down the pace of borrowing and spending, which in turn reduces inflation. Another reason is the shift in housing demand. The pandemic saw a boom in the housing market due to low interest rates and a surge in remote work, leading to a demand for larger, more comfortable living spaces. However, as interest rates rise, the demand for homes decreases, slowing down the housing market. Lastly, there's regulatory action. As seen in California, authorities are stepping up efforts to apply rate caps to lenders, including fintech companies. These efforts are aimed at protecting consumers from predatory lending practices, but can also result in higher interest rates as lenders look to maintain profit margins. Now let's summarize these key points. The recent increase in home loan interest rates can be attributed to a recovering global economy, inflation, a shift in housing demand due to the pandemic, and regulatory action. It's a complex issue with multiple contributing factors, each playing a significant role. Remember, understanding these factors can help when navigating the housing market. Whether it's deciding when to buy a home or when to refinance, being aware of the reasons behind interest rate fluctuations can be incredibly helpful. So the next time you notice a change in home loan interest rates, you'll know where to start looking for answers. It's all about staying informed and making savvy decisions. After all, knowledge is power when it comes to financial decisions. That wraps up our discussion on the recent increase in home loan interest rates. It's a topic that touches many aspects of our lives, from our personal finances to the broader economy. So keep a close eye on those interest rates and remember the factors that influence them. They just might influence your next big decision.